When you're working on a dream, even if you don't get there, even if you don't get what you want, you're gonna change, you're gonna grow because of everything you're experiencing, because of all the things you're learning, because of the lessons you get from your failures. That's really important. And so you're making new distinctions. Your character gets built. You know, you become a different person. You learn about good character. You learn about the success, the keys for success, and so you apply them more. You're more perseverant. You're more patient. You're more you understand more the people who have a business, who have something that works, and you understand, you respect them more, and so you open yourself to being a successful person because of the sacrifices you're making. And so don't just stay at, oh, I'm making all the sacrifices and now I don't see the results. Yes, you don't see the results when it comes to money, but you are changing, and that's good results. As long as you're changing for the good, as long as you're growing and it's bringing you something, even if in the moment you don't realize it, but what you would have been through will open the door for another road that you didn't even envision, and who will be the road to success for you. Just keep going.